No, just say it again. I'm all confused.
Okay, I said if we go to Tampa, we'll get a bigger house. That's something that you promised. And I want to make sure that I get to decorate it. But I want you to have the office room to decorate all yourself, however you want. You want to hang stuff all over the wall, weird and crazy pictures and magazine cutouts and newspaper clippings and goodness knows what else you could come up with. Then you go right ahead and you do it. But just let me have the rest of the house. Kind of like in Beetlejuice. Except I'm not going to be decorating it with all crazy art stuff and like the mom in Beetlejuice. I need confirmation, so...
Yeah, I'll decorate the office, baby. Don't worry about that.